So I was watching this Biocon, and there are a few more stocks I will like to discuss. So the Biocon chart. Now this is a daily time frame what we are seeing on the screen. I'll remove the indicators. Okay. Yes. So you can see this is the daily chart pattern. Okay. So what we can see is Biocon, after so much of consolidation, it has come down. But one thing which I like is that it has come to support level where I think after the strong fall there was some recovery. Now again the Biocon is fully coming into the same range where we have seen this recovery, and now it has come down. Okay, so it may make a double bottom or whatever conventional pattern. That is what we can say. Now it is at a good range to accumulate. So I will show you monthly chart. Okay, see in this monthly also, after this huge candle, it recovered a bit, then it has come to the same level once again here. So I think it is very good opportunity to buy from the monthly chart perspective. Also you can see in the weekly time frame as well. See this, after this sharp fall there was good recovery, then again it has come down. So it will make this what I can say 2 times bottom. Here is one time, this is another time, then the stock may go up. Okay, it may go up suddenly or it may consolidate, so there may be many reasons. Okay, but I think if you check the chart pattern, if you draw a horizontal line in the range, so it has multiple supports. Here also as per me there is good support which has been respected here also. Okay, yes, this is the reason why the Biocon is looking interesting to accumulate it for at least 6 months to 1 year perspective. Okay, not for short term. There is one more stock which is Sun TV. Sun TV, I think it is kind of a trap before a big very strong move is about to come, but this is looking like a trap. Okay, so that retail people will get exit from this stock. So by chance if you get a chance to accumulate this stock near 450 range, so 450 to 400 strong accumulation area from the monthly chart pattern. So let's check in the daily chart pattern. See this, you can see so many times it has respected the level of 450. Recently it has never come down. By chance, if we are lucky enough, we may get it here, which is in the range of 420. By chance, if we get, no, we should think that we are lucky, but we will not think it so. So when the stock comes to 420 level, nobody will buy it. But this is the time where we have to buy it. It may be any bad news or anything. Okay, so see this line. How many times it has taken the support. By chance if it comes again to 450 range, definitely it is worth buying. Okay, and you can see this strong move after this 450 level, very strong move in 4-5 sessions. So consider 450 is a strong base for Sun TV. Definitely one can initiate buy positions. Okay, after this there is one more stock. Might be few people might be tracking this one because of event or something else, but purely what I share is not a fundamental view, it is a technical view. Okay, so see this is daily chart pattern. What I can see is in this range very good strong support. Okay, so from this point the stock made a high. Okay, then it has consolidated and it has come down. Further it is starting to consolidate in the range. Now again it is coming in this range. Okay, I think we can start accumulating from 290 level to 270 level. So here it is just not correct figure what you get here. So actually 270 level is good, but the stop loss will be deep. The stop loss will be deep, that is 450 level. But this will be like investment bet if you buy it near 270, 280 or 290 range. So let's say it goes to 500, your investment will be near double. Okay, safe bet. I think nothing to worry. Okay, if it comes down, try to accumulate more in very systematic approach. Okay, so this is about these three stocks. Okay, and let's continue the same thing in future videos also. I'll try to discuss more and more stocks. Even if you have any query about your stocks, let me know in the comment box. I'll try to discuss those also. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. If you really like the video, please give a like.